Hey guys, it's Running Kimono, and believe it or not, this is my stovetop, and I cleaned it this morning. How friggin' dirty this is. I have been doing a bit of research tonight, the best way to clean a glass stovetop oven, and believe it or not, hydrogen peroxide and baking soda seems to be the magic bullet. I washed this down twice. This is my second pass at it. The first pass, of course, the photo that I snapped didn't actually work. So here I am. I'm just making this bath, a whole lot of hydrogen peroxide mixed in with the baking soda, and I went a little too crazy with the hydrogen peroxide, so I have to put a paper towel dam around that here in a second, but it's looking pretty crazy. You let that sit for about 20 minutes. Again, I bombed my stovetop twice because it was really dirty. And then with the paper towel 20 minutes later, you just work it really, really carefully. I'm going to say I used about a cup of baking soda and then quite generous amount of hydrogen peroxide. I didn't measure it out, but just I went kind of crazy. And then just with a little sponge, I'm trying to clean that glass top. I have one element that I use a lot, and that's the one that's just showing a lot of wear and tear. So I just thought this, because I have so much hydrogen peroxide right now, I don't know why. I just thought this would be an easy way to just really clean my stovetop. I know a lot of people say you can clean with vinegar and lemons and a whole bunch of other stuff, but I wanted the real deal, and the hydrogen peroxide for lots of people seems to be the thing to use and to how to clean things efficiently. I did pull out a little bit of steel wool here because there were little spots I just could not get clean, and this really, really worked with the hydrogen peroxide baking soda mix. And yeah. The great thing about extreme couponing is that you have like a lifetime supply of paper towel, and as you can see, it's still kind of dirty. So I give this a lot of elbow grease. You got to really scrub. You just can't put that hydrogen peroxide and baking soda and expect for it to clean. You really have to get in there and give it a lot of elbow grease and care. I used also a bath of water, and then at the very end I used a Lysol wipe to clean it off. I would recommend wearing gloves to do this. I did this with my bare hands. So here is the before shot. Man, that looks really scary, and sometimes when you're busy couponing and doing other stuff, you don't really have time for these deep, thorough cleaning. And here is the final product, 40 minutes of scrubbing and giving it a lot of elbow grease. Look at those other elements that I don't use as much. They look brand new. So I'm very pleased with this. And the last thing I did was a little bit of water and this Lysol wipes. But the star of the show was Mr. Hydrogen Peroxide. If you want exact measurements of the paste that I made out of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, please check it out in the notes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.